At Ideal Tridon, we engineer solutions made to support, secure, and connect the most critical applications. Meet the Snaplock clamp, a stronger, supercharged cable tie. Just as easy to install as a cable tie, but made for longevity. In most applications, traditional banding requires multiple tools and time-consuming steps. With Snaplock, you get a secure install in minutes with just one tool required. Snaplock fits easily and securely, no matter the pole diameter, even when you aren't working with a predetermined pole size. 4 SKUs cover 100% of pole sizes. Size 56 covers 1 to 4 inches, size 88 covers 2 to 6 inches, size 128 covers 1 3/4 to 8.5 inches, and size 188 covers 2 to 12.25 inches. Electrical contractors and municipalities trust Snaplock for secure, long-lasting installations in solar, electrical, and infrastructure projects. Snaplock is available in stainless steel for maximum durability. Upgrade to a black e-coat finish for a sleek look and improved corrosion resistance. Stronger, smarter, better than a cable tie lasting up to 20 times longer and built for security, Snaplock won't come off unless you intend it to. For bundling, clamping, and securing in the toughest environments. Ideal Tridon also delivers strength and versatility with our strap binder stainless steel banding, a full range of options trusted worldwide. Snaplock clamps and banding products, made in North America. Our facility is right outside of Nashville, Tennessee. Learn more at idealtridon.com.